Have you met Nancy yet? She's a healer and a coach, and she's just launched her first online course. To promote it, she's posted on social media, offered discounts, bonuses, and even gone as far as running paid ads. But she's still not seeing the sales that she expected. She did her research and she knows there's a demand for her program. So she's guessing it's something like her sales page. She gets advice on how to improve it, but when she relaunches, she still just sees a small trickle of sales coming in. I took a look at her web analytics, and from what I can see, she's just not getting enough hits to her website. The average course converts at around about 1 to 5%. So that means if it was converting at 1%, she needs at least 100 visitors before she even makes one sale. So I'm going to let her in on this secret, which is going to increase her traffic and her online presence. Let's have a chat. I've launched my course. It's not going that well. You don't have to do it all alone, Nancy. Find some people to help promote it for you. You have to stop doing it alone, Nancy. No matter where you are in your online business journey, you're going to find collaborators who will help you grow. So what does a collaboration look like? You can create an affiliate program for your course. Now this gives other entrepreneurs in the same niche as you an incentive to promote you. You could guest on other podcasts and talk about what makes your program unique. You could create collaborative events like webinars and summits or retreats with other people. Or you could collaborate on actual products to sell like bundles or create a joint course. All of these are win-win marketing ideas, and it really doesn't matter if you're new to the online space. In fact, I would say that it's probably better if you're a newbie because it's a great way to build exposure and gain trust. So I guess you're wondering how to find these collaboration opportunities. You can find some Facebook groups which are specifically for finding partnerships and collaborations. If you want to be a guest on a podcast, there is a platform called Matchmaker which you have to get a subscription to. But I would say, hands down, the best place would be Collaboration Station. If you're an expert in health and wellness, hobbies and lifestyle, money and business, or family and relationships, there is just a pool of experts in your niche looking to partner with people just like you. Now, if you haven't currently got a website and are wanting to avoid the website trap that new coaches fall into, I would recommend checking out this video here. And if you've enjoyed this video, also don't forget to subscribe.